Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to do a live stream cricket match score on YouTube. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. First I will show you how to download OBS Studio app. For that, first of all you have to open your browser and search OBS Studio download, and you can go to first link, and after from there you can download your OBS Studio setup file. After download you can close it and install OBS Studio to your PC. Then after install you have to open this. After open, first of all you have to make a scene by click on this plus mark and click on OK. Now I have already made a scene. Then I will cancel it. First I will show you how to make a time counter for your live stream. For that, click on this plus mark and go to image and click on OK and browse image from your computer. For that we can use our thumbnail. Then click on open and click on OK and adjust it. Now let's see how to add the time counter for this. You can download time counter from YouTube. Go to YouTube and search. Now search time countdown with a green screen, no copyright. And you can download one of the time count from there. I have done a video how to download YouTube videos. I will put the link in the description for you. Then you can download the time count. After you download, click on their plus mark and go to media source and click on OK. Now browse this time count file for this and click on OK. Now adjust this time count. Now I will show you how to remove this green screen. For this, right click on this media source and go to filters. Now you have to go to under effect filters, click on their plus mark and go to chroma key and click on OK. Now you have to set their color as green and close this. Now you can see the time counter has set. Like this you can set it as you want. Now I will show you how to browse your live stream cricket score. For that, first of all you have to make a new scene as previous. Now click on their plus mark and there you have to click on browser and click on OK. Now we have to copy the URL of the score file. For that, go to your web browser and now you can see the all cricket match live on today. For that, choose a one and click on live score. And now there you can see the live score and copy this URL and go to OBS Studio and paste this URL from here and click on OK. Now you can see it is here. Here Now adjust this as you wish. Let's see how to add your logo from here. For that also click on this plus mark icon and go to image and click on OK. Now there click on browse and find your logo. Then click on open. Now click on OK. Now there you can see your logo. Let's see how to make it as a moving object. Right click on the image and go to filters. And under effect control click on this plus mark icon and there click on scroll. Then click on OK. For horizontal, left to right, you have to move this line to left. If you want to do this vertical, like this, you can move this. I'm do this for left to right from horizontal, like that, and close this. After that, let's see how to add the text for this. For that also click on this plus mark icon and there click on text and click on OK and type here your text. And there you can select a font. After select this font, you can click on OK. Then click on OK. Then adjust this font as you want. And from there you can select a color for your text. And click on OK. Then let's see how to set this also as a moving object. Right click on the text and go to filters and under effect filters you have to select scroll and click on OK, and as previous you have to set this. After set this close. Now you can see the scroll of this channel and subscribe bar together. Let's see how to solve this. Right click on the text and go to properties, and from here you have to put a space after the channel and click on OK. Now you can see this problem has solved. Let's see how to live stream this on YouTube. Go to YouTube and there click on go live. Now from there click on edit. You can type your title, description, tags, visibility like this. You can set there. Thumbnail like that you can set from there. And after set click on save. After set, there you can see the stream key. Then there you have to click on copy and go to OBS Studio and go to settings. Now there go to stream, and there you have to set their service as YouTube RTMP and paste your stream key from here. After that click on apply and OK. Now I forgot to tell you how to add your video for here. For that click on this plus mark icon and click on video capture device. From this you can capture your video also. I am not going to do this from here. First you have to click there your streaming time count. After ending time count, you have to go to scene 2 and you can display your live stream from YouTube. When click on start streaming, you can start your live streaming. Like that, you can start your streaming. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Thank you for watching my video.